Hello cyclists, welcome. Today I brought you something very special and very geeky. I brought you the PINION C-LINE. So today it's not just about this really beautiful bike from my most favorite manufacturer, Schindelhauer. No, it is about the gearbox that is located here in the middle of the bike in the bottom bracket, and that not as usually back in the rear hub. But why is it so special? Having a pinion gearbox is the most effective way to use your pedaling power. So your force goes directly into the gearbox and there is no delay at all. You can feel that when pedaling. It's really a super nice feeling when you shift through the gears. Maybe it's the nicest way to shift through the gears because it feels a bit in your legs like touching very soft and smooth silk, if you can compare it like that. But how does a gearbox work? There are different gear units inside the box. The first one is responsible for the very fine and even gear steps. It's really when you shift through, you can really feel it. And you can shift in any riding position. When you're standing and even when you're riding steeper hills, it's no problem at all, you can easily shift. This bike here has a C-line with 12 gears, which is definitely enough when you're commuting through the city. You can also have the C-line with 9 or with 6 gears, but I would recommend you, even especially when you're a little more sportive, the 12 gears that are definitely enough. The whole gearing system has a ratio of 600% with the 12 gears, and that is really quite a lot compared to a roll-off hub that has 14 gears with 500%, and a Shimano Alpine with 8 gears has approximately 308%. The ratio is the number of teeth between the chainring and the rear sprocket, and you need the ratio in combination with the circumference of your wheel to calculate the unfold. And the unfold is the meter or centimeters your bike moves with one crank rotation. Pionion offers an online tool that is really fantastic to calculate the different ratios for the different gears. So if you're really into it, you should go and check out the website from Pionion. This gearbox here with the 12 gears weighs only 2.1 kilograms, and the one with 6 gears weighs only 800 grams, so it's super light. This whole bike here weighs only 12 kilograms, so it's super light, a bit like a supermodel. And some other advantages of this gearing systems are it's a closed unit, so it always works because no mud, no dirt, no snow can get into it. It is like a roll-off gearing system in an oil bath. This one here has 60 milliliters, so you really should check your bike annually. You should bring it to the bike shop and see how the oil is, how the gearing system is. If everything works right, this gearbox really lasts a bike long life, if you really take good care of it. Pionion offers two different models, the C-line like this one here and the Power Flow line. When you're commuting and maybe touring sometimes, a C-line with 12 gears is definitely enough. When you want to cycle around the world or are really into touring, you can think about having the P-line because it is lighter, because it has 18 gears, which is rather annoying when you're cycling in the city because you're constantly shifting. But when you're really into the long distance cycling, the 18 gears could be an advantage for you. Pionion offers for the P-line a 5-year guarantee. For this one here, you can extend the guarantee up to 5 years, but you do have to buy this guarantee. Now, before taking this beauty here for a test ride, I want to give you some details about the whole bike, the Schindelhauer Wilhelm. Schindelhauer, as you know, is my most favorite bike manufacturer located in Berlin. They have these beautiful bicycles, all with an aluminium frame, with triple butted tubes, super light and super stiff and smooth welded. That's why the bike looks so beautiful. They give so much attention to the details. The seat clamps are really beautiful. You have, very important when you're riding a bike like that, because you can easily reach higher speeds, you need really good brakes. Like all Schindelhauer bikes, this one here is a Gates carbon belt drive. A belt drive is so much nicer to ride than a chain because it feels more direct, but it also lasts 3 times longer than a regular chain. It doesn't lengthen, and you won't have any dirt on your trousers because you don't have any oil on the chain. This bike has the beautiful Schindelhauer aluminum CNC cutted pedals that are really nice to ride because you won't slip away. The bike has a Brook saddle in brown leather and also leather ergo grips, Schindelhauer ergo grips, which is quite nice because you have the weight on the whole palm, so it's not so concentrated. For me that's quite important because my wrists hurt after a time if I don't have this advantage. The bike has very nice tires, perfect for riding the city. It's the Urban Continental tire, which could be a little slippery in the autumn, but then you won't ride as fast, and take good care. And I will take this beauty here for a test ride. But this is so much fun. You can easily find the right gear, just shifting once or twice, maybe 3 times, and then whoop, you have the perfect gear. You feel the fine gear steps. It's really so much fun riding this gearing system, especially in combination with this bike. I was fast super easily, so you can reach high speeds really with no effort at all. It's so nice. Definitely so much fun. Well, that was really so much fun. You can reach high speed easily. It's a very sportive sitting position, so when you're looking for a comfortable bike, you should really consider your decision. But I really liked it. It's so nice. The shifting feels so good. It even makes a very special noise. And this beauty here costs a bit more than 4,000 euros. You can put on mud guards as well as lightning. Schindelhauer customizes most of the Wilhelm models. So you can choose between different frame sizes, of course, but also between different colors. You should check out the Schindelhauer website for all the options. And when you're looking for a special bike, when you're a bike connoisseur, check out bikes with the Pinion gearbox. On the Pinion website, there are lots of manufacturers who offer Pinion gearboxes and the different Pinion lines. I'm convinced this is really fantastic. It was so much fun riding this bike. Hey guys, if you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.